At number 5 we have the Heil PR40. It is a dynamic microphone that delivers clear, natural sound and has a wide frequency response. Its cardioid polar pattern helps reduce background noise, and it has a rugged, durable design that can withstand the rigors of podcasting. At number 4 we have the Electro-Voice RE20. It is a classic dynamic microphone that is still a favorite among podcasters. It has a smooth, warm sound that is great for capturing voices, and its cardioid polar pattern helps minimize background noise. At number 3 we have the Audio-Technica AT 2035. It is a versatile condenser microphone that provides clear and natural sound. It has a cardioid polar pattern that reduces background noise and a switchable low-cut filter that helps eliminate rumble and other low-frequency noise. At number 2 we have the Rode Procaster. It is another great choice for podcasting. It has a dynamic design that minimizes background noise and a cardioid polar pattern that captures sound from the front while rejecting noise from the sides and back. At number 1 we have the Shure SM7B. This is one of the most popular podcasting microphones, known for its exceptional sound quality and versatility. It has a smooth, natural sound and a wide frequency response, making it perfect for all types of voices.